An international team of botanists has discovered 3 new endemic species of the orchid genus Lepanthes in the highlands of Ecuador. Lepanthes is a large genus of orchids, with up to 1,000 species, distributed in the neotropics. The genus ranges from the Antilles and southern Mexico, through the Andes south to Bolivia, with some species known from Brazil. The largest number of species are concentrated in the Andes of Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru, but significant numbers are also distributed in Costa Rica and Panama. In Ecuador, Lepanthes includes about 350 species, of which 240 are considered endemic to the country. However, their richness is far from being fully inventoried, as new orchids are constantly being discovered and described as the country's forests continue to be explored. The 3 new species were discovered by Dr. Francisco Tobar Suarez from the Instituto Nacional de Biodiversidad and his colleagues from Ecuador and Switzerland. Named Lepanthes aurologensis, Lepanthes microprosartoma, and Lepanthes carenki respectively, they were recorded in montane evergreen forests. Lepanthes aurologensis was discovered in the southwestern part of El Oro province and is similar to Lepanthes jimbori, differing only in being much smaller, including the inflorescence and parts of the flower, the researchers said. Lepanthes microprosartoma, from the western slopes of the Pichincha volcano in northern Ecuador, resembles Lepanthes obandoi but differs in leaf color. Inflorescence is shorter than the leaves and smaller calyxes. Finally, Lepanthes carenki, found in eastern Pichincha and Imbabura, is similar to the orchid Lepanthes pachychila, but differs in that its plant is much larger and the shape of its petals and sepals is slightly different. The scientists consider Lepanthes aurologensis and Lepanthes microprosartoma to be critically endangered and Lepanthes carenki to be of least concern according to the IUCN Red List criteria and listing. They are evidence that Ecuador, one of the world's largest countries, harbors much more biodiversity waiting to be discovered, the authors say.